few months ago, I was invited to speak at Ysgol Cwm Brombil, School Senedd in Margam, and they were very concerned about transport poverty and shared with me the experiences of some of their fellow learners who are finding it difficult to afford the cost of transport as they aren't eligible for free school transport. Over 70% of pupils at Ysgol Cwm Brombil live in the most deprived 40% of areas in Wales. These pupils deserve and need support to be able to access their education and to ease financial pressures on their families so they can be given the best chance at life. Achos y gwir plaen yw bod tlodi trafnidiaeth yn cloi plant mas o addysg ac yn dyfnhau difrod ar argyfen costau byw. Ac fydd hyd yn oed y tocynnau bws y pint na sydd wedi cael ei cyhoeddi fel rhan o'r gyllideb yn ddiweddar yn helpu ein dysgwyr o dan 1 ar 15 oed, sef y rhan fwyaf o'n dysgwyr. Llawer ohonyn nhw yn ôl y Comisiynydd Plant yn gorfod talu bron i 20 pint yr wythnos i gyrraedd yr ysgol, ac wrth gwrs dyn nhw ddim yn gymwys am EMA chwaith. Mae system addysg deg yn golygu bod angen sicrhau bod pob plentyn, beth bynnag ei cefndir neu ei cod post, yn gallu cael mynediad i'r ysgol heb fod hynny'n achosi caledu ariannol. A dyw'r diffyg cysondeb ledled Cymru o ran argeiledd, fforddiadwyedd a phwy sy'n derbyn trafnidiaeth am ddim, neu beidio ddim yn sefyllfa gynaliadwy. The serious point is, when will the members of Ysgol Cwm Brombil Senedd see real action from the government on their concerns, and of course thousands of other learners, as we've heard, and their families across Wales who are currently having to walk long distances along busy, lonely roads in bad weather, or having to find the money to access expensive transport.